It's that time of year again when the weather's getting colder and we all have to prepare our homes. Here's a few tips from Veolia for winter weather prep. Hi, I'm Kelsey. I'm part of the service team here at Veolia. I'm going to walk you through a few things homeowners can do this winter to avoid frozen pipes and costly repairs. Disconnect and drain the garden hose connection before it gets cold. This can save you time and money. Wrap your water pipes with insulation like this or heat tape, which you can purchase at any hardware store. Check your water meter. Make sure the valves on either side of the meter are working properly. You can label the main shutoff valve so everyone knows where it is. Also be sure to exercise the valve from time to time to make sure that it's functional. Keep it at 55. While away from home during the winter, set the thermostat to 55 degrees to prevent frozen pipes. Take a moment to close any crawl spaces, doors, or open windows to the outside to prevent cold air from coming in. Fix any broken windows and seal any visible cracks. This is another way that cold air can get in and cost you money. Now you're an expert. Here's a few other items for your prep list. Stay safe this season.